Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to improve the SEO of your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end to find out what I have to say so that you can do it yourself and that it works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and own on your Squarespace account. So guys, as you can see, we currently have only one website called Tutorials, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, go ahead and open up the website by clicking it right here in your dashboard. And now guys, this will open up the website and the page. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and look at the left side of the screen, and here you can see a couple of options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, and so on. What we want to do guys to access our SEO is go ahead and click on this option right here called marketing. Guys, go ahead and click on marketing, and now this will again give you a couple of options that you can use for editing your website. So guys, as you can see, here is an option called SEO, and we want to go ahead and click on that. And now guys, as you can see, we can access our SEO editing options. Here you can see some quick links that will help you, such as your SEO checklist, your Google search keywords to connect it, and to hire an SEO expert if you want. So guys, here you can see your search appearance, you can see your pages, your items in your home. And here under there guys, you can edit how your SEO works. So guys, if you want a lot of people coming to your website typing something that will bring them in. So let's say we want the name to be tutorials you are looking for, or something like that guys. And then this will show up to them when they search for something similar to your website and will bring up on Google. You also want to enter a description. Let's say this is the tutorials that will help you. And now here you can see a preview how it will look on Google for your website. So guys, you want to make this the best looking possible so that more people will be coming to your website. You can also edit your pages and your items, and this will all enable you to have a good SEO and that your page and website will appear to other people on Google. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. You can mess around with this, you can find out some new options to edit and then make it even better for your website. But yeah guys, I hope I helped you. If I did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.